Are you looking for the best portable washing machine? In this video, I'll show you my top 5 washing machine that I tested this year. Number 5. Jontex Mini Washer and Spinner Combo. I've been using the Jontex GX24977P Mini Washer and Spinner Combo for a few weeks now, and I have to say, this little machine has been a game changer for my small apartment. At just 14 inches by 13.5 inches by 20 inches, it fits perfectly in a corner of my bathroom and is light enough, only 11 pounds, to move around easily. It's ideal for studio apartments, dorm rooms, or even RV life. The 5.5 pounds capacity might not seem like much, but it's surprisingly roomy for everyday loads, t-shirts, underwear, socks, even a small towel. The 2-in-1 wash and spin design saves time and effort. It's semi-automatic, so you do have to fill and drain the water manually, but that's a small trade-off for the convenience and low price. Setup couldn't be easier, no tools or installation needed. Just plug it in, fill it with water, toss in your laundry, and set the timer, 10 minutes to wash, 5 to spin. The drain hose works well, though it's a bit short, so I keep a bucket nearby. It's super compact and lightweight, very affordable, easy to use, and great for small loads and tight spaces. On the downside, there's no rinse cycle, you have to add clean water manually, and the spin cycle doesn't get everything bone dry. Overall, for the price, this Jontex washer is a solid value. It's not meant for heavy-duty loads, but for light laundry and small spaces, it does the job well without breaking the bank. Number 4. Super Deal Compact Mini Twin Tub Washing Machine. I've been using the Super Deal Compact Mini Twin Tub Washing Machine for a while now, and I'm honestly impressed with how much this little machine can do. At just 13.5 inch deep, 23 wide, and 26 tall, it fits nicely in my small apartment bathroom, and it's light enough to move when needed. It's a perfect fit for tight spaces like dorms, RVs, or even for travel use. What I love most is the twin tub design. I can wash and spin clothes at the same time, which saves a lot of time. The washer holds 8 pounds of laundry, and the spinner fits 5 pounds, which is just right for daily loads like t-shirts, workout clothes, and socks. The 1300 RPM motor is surprisingly powerful for its size, and the clothes come out cleaner than I expected. It's simple to use. Add clothes, water, detergent, set the timer, and that's it. The drain tube works well, though I wish it was a bit longer. And while the spin cycle dries clothes decently, you'll still need to air dry them for a bit. The machine is made of plastic, so no rust issues, and it stays quiet while running. For the price, this washer is a great value. It's not fancy, but it gets the job done efficiently and saves trips to the laundromat. If you need a compact, budget-friendly solution for small laundry loads, this is it. Number 3. Jontex Portable Mini Compact Twin Tub Washing Machine. I've been using the Jontex Portable Mini Compact Twin Tub Washing Machine for a few months now, and honestly, it's been a game changer. I live in a small apartment with no washer/dryer hookup, so I needed something compact, affordable, and easy to use. This one ticks all the boxes. At just under 29 inches tall and lightweight, it fits perfectly in my bathroom and is easy to move around. The 20-pound total capacity, 12 pounds for wash, 8 pounds for spin, is surprisingly generous. I can wash a week's worth of clothes in 2 loads. I love the twin tub design. You can wash and spin at the same time, which saves a lot of time. Operation is super simple, even for someone like me who isn't tech-savvy. It's a semi-automatic machine, so you'll need to manually fill and drain water, but I actually like having that control. The spin dryer works really well, but don't expect bone-dry clothes. It still cuts drying time way down. Cons? It's a bit noisy and not ideal for bulky items like blankets. But for the price and convenience, it's totally worth it. Overall, if you're tight on space or budget, this little washer is a solid investment. Number 2. Comfy Portable Washing Machine. I've been using the Comfy 1.6cu.ft portable washing machine for a few weeks now, and I'm genuinely impressed. It's perfect for my small apartment, compact enough to fit in tight spaces, but still powerful enough to handle up to 11 pounds of laundry. The 6-wash programs like Quick, Heavy, and Delicate make laundry super simple, and the clear lid lets me check on clothes mid-cycle. Setup was a breeze thanks to the built-in wheels and drain pump, and I love the delay start and extra rinse features for added flexibility. The child lock gives peace of mind, and the energy savings are no joke. It's efficient and budget-friendly. That said, the machine can be a little loud during the spin cycle, and the hose connection could be tighter. Still, for the price, size, and convenience, it's an amazing value, especially for apartment living, RVs, or dorms. Bottom line, if you want a space-saving, affordable washer that gets the job done without fuss, this comfy model is a solid pick. Number 1. Black Decker Portable Washer. I've been using the Black Decker 0.9 CU foot portable washer for a few months now, and honestly, it's been a game changer for my small apartment living. If you're short on space and tired of hauling laundry to a laundromat, this compact washer is a great affordable alternative. What I love most is the compact size. It fits perfectly in my bathroom corner and rolls away easily on its built-in wheels when not in use. Even though it's small, the 6.6 pounds capacity is perfect for daily wear, baby clothes, or small loads of delicates. The stainless steel tub feels durable and is gentle on fabrics, especially since it's an impeller washer, no agitator to twist or stretch clothes. There are 5 wash cycles: heavy, gentle, normal, rapid, and soak, which handle most types of laundry. I especially appreciate the Quick Connect sink adapter and drain hose, making setup super easy. It only uses cold water, which might be a downside for some, but it works fine for lightly soiled clothes. A few cons: it's not ideal for large or bulky items like blankets, and the drain hose needs to be positioned properly to avoid messes. But overall, for the price and convenience, it's a solid choice. Bottom line, if you're looking for a budget-friendly, space-saving washer for light loads in a small home or apartment, this Black Plus Decker unit is absolutely worth considering.